Hey, what's up? We're going to solve systems with substitution. I'm going to take it up just a little bit, got to think a little bit harder with it, but it's still the same concept. Isolate one variable, take what you got, substitute it into the other equation, and then solve. Okay, so first thing that we're looking for is, can we isolate? Is one of our variables already isolated on one side and everything else is on the other side? So I have 2x minus 3y equals -1. Nope, all my variables are on the same side. At y equals x minus 1. Ooh, this tells me y equals x minus 1. Okay, so it's not a number, but I still know what y equals in terms of x, so I can use that to help me. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the other equation, so 2x minus 3y equals -1. And I'm still going to substitute x minus 1 where y is in my equation, right? So I'm going to put x minus 1 in where y is. And remember, -3 times y, so it's multiplication. So here we go. 2 times x minus 3 times, and now instead of y, I'm going to put x minus 1 here. Notice it's all in parentheses. Okay, now it's solving an equation. We have distribution, good practice with lots of skills we've used. Okay, so we're going to take that -3 times x, so we get -3x, and we're going to take -3 times -1 is going to give us +3 equals -1. Combine like terms, so 2x minus 3x, that's going to be -x, plus 3, don't lose that, that's still there, equals -1. All right, isolate the x, so let's zero out +3. So we get -x equals -4, right? You're adding these together. Okay, all right, so -x, but I want +x, so we're going to divide by -1, because -1 divided by -1 gets me +1, because remember, we always want positive there, and -4 divided by -1 is going to be +4. Okay, so we know our x coordinate. We don't all the way know our y coordinate, but now we can solve for it. So if I take the other equation, y equals x minus 1, now I know what x is, so I can plug in 4 for x and figure out what the heck is my y value, right? So y equals 4 minus 1, y equals 3. Now I have my coordinates, so my solution should be 4, 3. If I plug those ordered pairs into both of my equations, they should be true statements. That's what a solution means. Okay, so that's how you solve it. Just a little bit more complicated, but it's still substitution. Take what you know, plug it in, and solve.